we've got a model called the Success Framework. It's structured progression, which is curriculum that is aligned and expands upon the most up-to-date MOE syllabus. Then we've got unique activities, which is the U, obviously, reader appreciation lessons, simulations of real-world scenarios, and exam practice. We have creativity, which is the C, brainstorming, critical thinking, and self-expression, which is really important in our current world, followed by another C, which is collaboration, where group projects, writing assignments, and classroom activities offer ample opportunities for students to work with their peers. Also, encouragement, which is E, positive motivation and constructive feedback to keep our students engaged and enthusiastic during lessons. The other S, which stands for skills-driven instruction, which is carefully designed classroom activities that enhance specific reading, listening, speaking, and writing skills for our students. And then we've got strategies for exams. So these students are equipped with strategies to help them excel in the examinations.